These are 8 units of 4-bedroom bungalow right here in Enugu State, Nigeria. Welcome you all to Nondon Estate Phase 2. So we are right here at Nondon Estate Phase 2. Yes, Nondon Estate Phase 2. If you remember vividly, last year I posted this estate while there were still enough spaces remaining in this estate. Now, as you can see, almost all the units has been sold. We just have one unit alone that is remaining. Yes, just one unit remaining in this beautiful estate. So this property is sitting on a 300 square meter plot of land, and is in a very habitable area. It's located at New Haven Extension by British Adorable, and it's selling for 65 million naira per unit. Yes, and I would love to show you the exact property that is currently for sale, so you consider if it's something you love or not. But I believe and I know that you will love it, so come with me, let's see the inside. So this is the parking lot. This is the parking space. Yes, over here too is the parking space, and comes with an overhead tank, as you can see. So let me show you the inside. Now, this is the entrance to the place. This is the entrance to the house, and as you can see, other units are sold out. As you can see, they are all sold out. And this is the ante room. When you come in, comes with this beautiful wooden door. And this is the living room. This is how it looks like. Very spacious, very spacious. Comes with a cross ventilation window. There's a window over here, 2 windows, right? And over here two windows, so it allows a whole lot of ventilation to come in, and also lighting, natural lighting. Over here is the dining area. So yeah, this is the dining area. And over here also is the kitchen to the place. Although they've not done they've not fixed the cabinets. Here is the store. So over here leads to the veranda downstairs that leads you outside. So you can see, this is just it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, very okay and beautiful. I solely love this design. Yeah, I love it so much. It looks very relaxing, and I love this area because it's a very quiet area. Yeah. Now, this is the lobby that leads to the 4 rooms, right? Room 1, room 2, room 3, and room 4 is over here. So this is the lobby that leads to the rooms. Let me show you at least 2 of the rooms. Now, over here is the room 1. Yeah, it comes with this cabinet. Although they are still working on it, you can see they're still working on the cabinet. Or you see the space. Jesus Christ, this is beautiful. It comes with this wonderful and fancy POP, and this is the size of the room. Over there is the toilet area. Yeah, let me show you another room. Okay, so this is another room. You can call here the madam's room or any of them, but it comes cross ventilated. I love the fact that it has 2 windows on almost each side. So it also comes with this window over here. So air can come in here and go out here, or air can come in here and go out over here. Now, this is the convenience. It will come with the walk-in shower, right? And this is the sink and the WC. Now, this is the closet. This is how long your closet will look like. You can hang a whole lot of things here. You can store a whole lot of things here. This is the closet. So this property is selling for 65 million naira, and we just have 1 unit remaining. So I believe before the end of this month, this 1 unit will be sold out. So if you want to be the lucky buyer of this particular unit, then call this number. Call the number you see on your screen, so that we can help you purchase this property. It comes with the general CFO and is located right here at New Haven Extension. So make sure to call my number so that we can bring you here for inspection and booking. Thank you very much.